How to identify a song from a YouTube video. So let's start this video without any further delay. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and open your browser in front of you or the YouTube official app on your laptop device to get the music from a YouTube video. As you can see, I have to choose a YouTube video from the menu, that is my recommendation page. I will simply select a video and copy the link for it, and then I will look out how I can extract the music name from this video. As you can see, this is all the details. You have to look out for the description, scroll down, and in the description of you can see the music is mentioned that this music is being used in this video. You can get the music from the link they have in description, or if they're not, you will automatically see that which type of music or which music is used in a YouTube video on the description setting of YouTube. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.